Hi there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add contacts on WhatsApp web. So let's get right into it. Head over to your browser and search for WhatsApp. Make sure you have logged in into your WhatsApp account in your web. Once you are logged in there, as you can see, there are some chats in my chat box and in archive. And if I want to add people or add some contacts, currently there is no way available just to add new people or new contacts in WhatsApp web. So we just have to wait until WhatsApp makes their update on this. And yeah, this is the information I had to share with you, and hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.